Let's talk about individual stocks. First, I would like to spend time on the Fin Nifty, which was a surprising side. So Aditya Birla Capital, remember, made an intraday all-time high 413 on Friday. If it crosses 413, 430. Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Holding, Bajaj Finserv, buy on any dips. There is a still room of 8 to 10%. We have attached the Excel sheet as always. You can look out for levels there. Then let's shift ourselves to auto. Ashok Leyland is coming back. That's a good thing for a sector. When the laggards start to catch up, that's a very good sign. Apart from that, two-wheeler stocks are ruling the table. Eicher, TVS Motor, Bajaj Auto, Hero Moto, all looking very strong. Uno Minda looking very strong. Sunacom making all-time highs. So these is very strong sector. Then the new age one, Nykaa showing very good strength. Naukri showing very good strength. Then some other individual stocks. Sorry, by the way, I missed Motherson Sumi in auto. So that would be there. IT, Coforge, Persistent, Tech Mahindra, TCS, they all are holding on to supports and rebounding back. So IT, again a sector which is looking very strong. See, I forgot one more auto, Hyundai Motors. I am just remembering also in between the names. Then comes some regular stocks which have been in a very good mood. So Titan making all-time highs, very strong, nothing to discuss. Nykaa we have already discussed. Divi's Lab, what to say about the stock? We had put it in our momentum leaders. First 3 days moved up already by 9%, and see the results, guys. If I would not have given a booked profit message, I would have continued with this stock for sure. Excellent result. Kaynes Technology, by the way, rebounding back. Very interested in what is happening in this stock. So Kaynes Technology would be watching very, very carefully. Geo Finance is coming back very strongly. That is also an important stock. Within the cash side, Anantraj, Blue Jet, Chennai Petroleum, Concord Bio, Dr. Lal Pathlab, Escorts, FSL, Glaxo, IFCI, HEG, IFL, RK Forge, Remington, Sai Life Sciences, Bocard Pharma, and Z Limited. These are some of the stocks which are doing very good for this one. Some small cap stocks, Shadowfax Technologies, Nelco, remember not the Nalco, Nelco, Bluestone, Stallion, GM Pfaudler, Indian Metals and Ferrous, IMFA as we say, Shipping Corporation, Steel Strips, SSWL, Pars Defense. These are some of the small cap stocks which are doing very good. So remember, we have put the Excel. Out of Nifty 500, 83 stocks are in an uptrend, and some 18 small cap stocks which we believe are in uptrend. Now let's talk about the summary part. To summarize, please remember Nifty. Iran war when started, the high was 24,600. If we want to restart the bull run, we need to cross that 24,600 mark. They have been trading in a very broad range, 23,800, 23,600 kind of marks. We have never gone below that. But at the same time, we have never crossed 24,500, 600 mark also. Do we have a chance? See, if the FIs continue to buy, I don't have a second thought that this time we can cross 24,600. But I would really want more evidence of buying, or at least a 1 week buying from FIs, to clearly see that it is moving up. That is one. Sectors to focus, and remember one thing, without Bank Nifty it will be very difficult. Sectors to focus: auto, IT, pharma, FMCG, reality. Fin Nifty has come back with a force, so that's another sector which we will be watching very carefully. Stocks we have already discussed. Please go through the entire Excel if you have time. Otherwise, make sure that you read the summary page. Thank you so much, and I'll get back to you with the next Sunday video.